Oh, did I forget to mention this is cheap and easy too? Oh, so good. Alright. Let me put that on pause. Okay. So this is noodles a la Layze Lyfe. You can put any type of meat in there, chicken, beef, pork, and whatever vegetables you like. Carrots, peas, onions. And you don't have to put none of that hot pepper. That's just how I like it. But for a quick, easy, satisfying meal, this hits all the buttons. Smells good too. Well, of course it smells good, or you wouldn't eat it, right? So good. And by the way, I'm eating this in the morning on my day off. Some people are weird about only eating certain foods in the morning. I don't understand it. Eat whatever you like. If it's okay for your stomach, go for it. And it tastes good, of course. Some green tea with that too. Still kind of hot. Oh, still kind of really hot. Woo. All right. I hope this was a fun little video. You get to see how some people eat different kind of foods. Make my nose a little runny. You never used to do that to me, the hot pepper. Oh, I forgot to put sriracha in there too. Oh. Oh, did I forget to mention this is cheap and easy too? I mean, really, it wasn't much prep. Just cutting a couple things and putting it in a pot. And I swear this whole meal probably costs, I don't know, $2 or less. Alright, y'all. I guess that concludes today's tutorial. I'll see you guys later on the next episode. Alright? You guys have a happy, lazy life. Peace. And I'm out. Oh. Alright, that concludes this, Alright, that concludes this tutorial. I hope you guys have a happy, lazy life. Peace. And I'm out. Layze.
Life for us is
Layze.
life for us. Static treated, we get drinks. Static says we get drinks. It's
Layze.
life